Hey everyone, most of the time when we're traveling, we have a house sitter that stays in our home. House, dog sitter, kind of both with our house, but both of our house sitters are totally okay with that, and both are dog people, so it works out really great. Today, I wanted to show a video I've never really shown. I've always shown like clean with me's leading up to, but I've never really talked about like prepping a room for your house sitter. I'll go ahead and say some people would not be comfortable with this, but Matt and I are, and it's not a problem for us. We let them use our room because our room has a connecting bathroom to it. I'll kind of like show cleaning and talk kind of at the same time to give you a general idea of how to clean a space set aside for your house sitter. Again, to start off with, we're fine with them using our room because I mean, like, I don't know, it's just not a big deal to us because we change the bedding out every time people use our home and everything, so we're okay with it, and we don't have the space for a guest bedroom. If circumstances ever change and, you know, we're given the grace to move and, you know, God provides us a new house to move to or anything, which we're not looking right now, then we might look for a house with a guest bedroom since we have guests a lot. Right now, we're using ours, and we're okay with that. So first thing I'm gonna do is, when Matt leaves in the morning, he usually just puts his pajamas there if he's going to rewear them, but I'm going to go ahead and wash them for him. I'm also going to start with just completely stripping the bed off. When we redid the kids' bathroom, I know I haven't shown you yet because we're still waiting on supplies to come in. Shock. These towels ended up not fitting unless they were in the very top of the closet, and I don't like towels in the very top of that closet because moisture from showers can get up there, and I don't want to risk these getting moldy because, like, this one's a really special towel for me. I got it while I was briefly doing travel agency for a while, and I still kind of want to remember that. This is Matt's Castaway Key Towel. You can see the Mickey anchor on it. This is a towel to remember, like, this is kind of a flashback too, and weird. This is the towel that Matt won while we were working together when we both were working at the same place when we met. So it's kind of special from that. I'm going to have a video, members video soon about our story of how we met, and it's so cute and I love it, and I'm hoping you guys love it too. This is a towel that was Matt's when he was a kid. It's a Superman towel. And then this is a towel that was mine when I was a kid, and it's a Snoopy towel. So, like, those are special towels to me. Like, I know it's just towels, but at the same time, like, it's not just towels, they're special. So I'm thinking of clearing out some closet space and another storage closet for those because we still use this one. It's great to use. It's huge. It is so huge because these Disney ones aren't tiny. And Matt still uses his Disney one, but he only uses it on travel swimming trips. So he doesn't use it like as often as the kids and I do for like splash pads and meeting friends to swim in places. So he doesn't use it a ton, or I might go ahead and put his in our travel swim bag. If you haven't seen that, I made it as a short on Instagram. If I can download it, I might add it as a short to YouTube as well. But we made a short on Instagram of what we put in our grab and go swim bag. But for now, like I said, I want to move those. I need to wash a load of towels. Ours are solid white, so I do ours in a separate load because the kids have like pinks. So I want to do that in a separate load. If we have not used any of these by the next time that we strip the entire bed, all we're going to do is take these, put them in the dryer on high for 10 minutes with a used dryer sheet, fluff them up, and fold them back. Which means I'm going to accordion style fold that again. Next goal is to get the comforter has to go first because it takes all day to dry. We did specifically, for anybody new, when we bought our new washer 2 years ago, we specifically said, will this hold a full size up to queen size comforter? And they guaranteed it would. So he's gonna bark now. So we made sure before we even bought it that it was going to be able to hold that, but it still takes all day to dry. So we went ahead and got that first. The next thing to go in is gonna be the mattress protector, which the mattress protector we got came with our Nectar mattress, which if you haven't seen those videos, there's 3 of them. Our building, our 3-month, and our 1-year update. Almost 2 years now. Still holding up pretty well. Love the bed frame. So it's holding up really well. It machine washes really well, but I have that stripped off. While I have all that stripped off, I'm going to do something that I try to at least do once a year, once every 6 months, is I'm going to do the walls, because if you look really, really, really close to the walls, you can see dust buildup right here. I don't like that, but I have found a new way to do it. I found a way to do it, and then later I found, oh, other people were already doing that and making videos on YouTube about easy hacks to clean your wall. So basically, you take a Swiffer. You take one of the, not the ones that's the jet spray ones, the just Swiffer ones. And we put washcloths on them, spray it with vinegar water. If you want to freshen up the room a bit and make it smell like super nice, you can add essential oils to it and things. I haven't tried that yet just because I'm kind of afraid of starting new smells and things, just like, especially on a short notice like this. So I don't really want to do that, but you can do that. But I'm just going to use vinegar water and scrub the whole thing down, and then maybe later, if it smells too vinegary in here, I'll spray the headboard with some of the Air Effects Febreze that I know doesn't really affect mine or Matt's lungs. But let me do that because I want to do it while the bedding is off. those two walls dry, I need to get dirty clothes up in here, scrub that down, transfer the rest of the kids' shampoos, conditioners, and face washes out, and scrub down where apparently they were spitting. I need to get dirty clothes out of here. I'm going to change the hand towel out when I do the next load. The mattress cover is in there right now. The comforter's in the dryer. It's going to have to air dry after that because yay, fun. I did get that window done. That makes me happy. That's washing. But yeah, I want to give time for actually I did half of this one because some of the bedding's piled up over here. So I'll do this wall and that half of that wall at the same time. I'm going to take the rag I use on the other walls right now, do these two doors on this side, get them finished up, and then, like I said, move into the bathroom. Since I recently did a detailed video on how I completely scrubbed this bathroom down, including walls, here is the before. Now, you can either pause the video right now, click up here, and find the video where I did this. I'll give you a second to do that. Or you can watch it after this video and it will also be in the cards below if I remember. If not, let me know in the comments below. And here's the before and after. Yes, I know everything is still out of here. Actually, I haven't done the floor yet, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys because I'm running out of time. I'm kind of worried I won't have time to get everything done. I currently have a load of the towels out of here and the inside lining shower curtain in the washer. The next load, I'll do the outside shower curtain and the hand towel and probably the rug. And at least those will hopefully be finished before I run out of time today. And anything else can just be extra. But this is how it looks so far. Finished up, mirror, hi. So get that done. Waiting for it to kind of air out a little bit because I just finished. Then I'm going to move back into here. All the blankets have been fluffed. I want to get them folded and back on here. I'd alternate folding on different patterns, like the fold will be on this side for this blanket and the next blanket be here. That way it's not like lumped really weird. That there, that wall is dry now so I can put my sign back up. That window is finished. I'm glad I waited until the sun came over the ridge to double check it, make sure there were no smears on it. So that's finished up. And then I'm going to start, the lining is finally in the dryer. The comforter has to take twice in the dryer, but the lining is in the dryer. Get that finished up, probably vacuum that off and get that lint off of there before I put the cedar chest back. But I may go ahead and move the bed and my end table back. Matt actually has, like you can see on mine too, I have the cord strapped to the end table so that they're not like bulging out everywhere. So he does too for his, we still have a digital clock because we've had a couple times where like the phones have reset and stuff and alarms didn't go off. So we just keep it just in case and for emergencies or like times we've lost internet. So I wanted to go ahead and keep it. But like all his stuff is like right there. So I did not move his. I just cleaned around it. Gonna move that back. Get the liner on as soon as it comes out of the dryer. Fold this. Maybe done with the steps, so I'll probably move it out of here. Move the cord to the vacuum to the other spot over here and just start reassembling everything back now that everything's kind of freshened up and everything. I may go ahead and take the air compressor while it's in here and spray off the mattress, make sure there's no dust on it from where we did dust everything. I love how easy it is to just do the walls, and I know like I could have just done it by hand with a, you know, a washcloth and that, but I can reach further with the Swiffer and it still feels like it's doing a better job than if I was doing it by hand. And by hand I might scrub too hard on accident. With that, it's only as far as I can reach. So that worked out really well. So get all this bit back together and we'll see how it looks when we're done. Another thing we've been slowly doing that I haven't been showing is we are getting rid of and decluttering and trying to go a little more minimalistic, not a little, a lot more minimalistic with house stuff. And these were extra curtains and blankets and stuff that we are not using, have not used, I don't think the entire time that we've lived here. And I'm just tired of stuff being piled up. I want the house to be easier to clean in between travel, in between everyday life, and just be able to enjoy life without having to constantly be cleaning because there's so much stuff. So I haven't been showing it, but like I've been decluttering clothes that I don't wear often or have not worn in a while. I'm trying to get through blankets and stuff. So like I wanted to mention that really quick because I'm doing it right now. And I haven't mentioned that in other videos, but like as we're going, we are decluttering as we're working.